Hi guys, now it is the time at 7:22 p.m. So look at that. See, still having lights here in Sharma. So supposed to be is the dark time now, but here it's too light. So I will show it to you that our one of the cabin this morning they already left. Now it's empty place here. It's not only here. We are starting now, that is the moving and demobilizing here around June, July until August will be possible. So show it to you. That is the place it here. Yeah. And this place is, oh Abul, where are you from? Where you been? Yeah. Yeah, that is the camp personnel. That is Mr. Abu. And say, look at that place now here. It just looks like a very sad place. Yeah, see, because most of the people here are transfer. So this is the next cabin by tomorrow will be moved also. So because this one is empty. Yeah, so if you see that this the grounds, they are removing of the covering like that, so means that is the place is empty. And see, the electrical will be to remove all. See, it's totally the empty here. See, place. Wow, see, they are mentioning that room transfer total cabin remove. So this is B A room. So it's means senior room here and the toilet is inside. Yeah, so that's why they are called senior room. So most of their place other than there, sorry, it's all already left. So also here, so only one cabin are the remain, and then the last one is already removed also in last couple of days. So this is our visitor room, and also there is the management type. So see, look at this place, looks like a ghost town because more of the people are transferred. So because the project that's here, it is a far away. They are near in Sindala, the workplace, so that's why. So they are moving there because it's very nearest place. Yeah. So time of Salah. So okay guys, thank you for watching. Have a good day, and you will see that there's another videos to show it to you in here in my place. And I wish you are happy of my video. Thank you guys. Please like and share and comment, and then I will give it to you the more videos. Thank you guys. Bye.